Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a new Airsoft video. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on the video, and I'll see you on the field. Six.
Go, go.
No.
Pretty front. Yeah! No!
Come on. That's all right.
Here we can see one of the boxes that needs to be changed, and it's currently on the enemy's color, so we need to change it. Let's do it.
Step out!
I just changed it. There's one down here in the dark room. Hey! Yeah, me too. Good shot. Good trade. Dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man. Dead man, dead man, dead man. Dead man, Kevin. Whoa! Dead man walking. Whew. Dead man.
And with that final buzzer, that is the game over. Unfortunately, the enemy team won 2-1, but that's okay. We can get them next time. If you enjoyed, like I said before, leave a like on the video and subscribe, and I'll see you on the field.
He killed Ralph, I think, this guy here.
Yeah.
He's going to come down here and he didn't check his corner.
I got some in the dark, but I think we traded, but I wasn't sure, so I just called it.
I was going to say, you got lit up by chance.
Huh?
I think I heard you go, ah.